Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Usman Ali, student of ISL Engineering College of EC branch. So my today's topic is about Booth's logarithm multiplication from the subject of computer organization architecture. So let's know what is Booth's logarithm. Booth's logarithm is a multiplication logarithm that multiplies two signed binary numbers into its complement. Now let's go through the hardware part of the Booth's logarithm. As you can see in the hardware part, there are BR register and the complementer and parallel adder is connected to the AC register and the QR register with a QN and QN plus 1 with a sequence counter, in which we are making AC register and QR register a shift register in which we are doing arithmetic shift right operation, where QN is the least significant bit and the QN plus 1 is impulsive bit, and sequence counter is the n number of bits in the operation. Let's go through the flowchart of the Booth's logarithm multiplication. As you can see, there is a multiplicand is equals to BR and the multiplier is equals to QR. AC initialized to 0, QN plus 1 initialized to 0, sequence counter initialized to n. As there is a QN plus 1, as there is a 2 operation in this, if you have get the binary digit is equals to 0 1, it will be directly functional to the AC is equals to AC plus BR. If the binary will be is equals to 1 0, it will be directly go to the operation of the AC plus BR bar plus 1. If the binary digit will be is equals to 0 0 or is equals to 1 1, then it will directly to the arithmetic shift right operation where sequence counter minus 1, as it will be directly go to the sequence counter. If the function having is equals to 0, then the operation will be end. If the function does not having is equals to 0, the operation will be repeated again. Let's go through the example of the Booth's logarithm multiplication. As I have taken the example for the 7 into 3 is equals to 21. The binary number of the 21 will be 1 0 1 0 1. As the binary of the 21 is 1 0 1 0 1, and the binary of the 7 will be 0 0 1 1 1, and the same binary will be of the 3 will be 0 0 0 1 1, and the BR bar will be the opposite of the BR. It will be 1 1 0 0 0, and BR bar plus 1 will we have to add 1 1 0 0 0 plus 1 1 1 0 0 1. It is a BR bar plus 1. As the sequence counter is 5, because the 78121 binary is 1 2 3 4 5 bits. As a sequence counter, n is equals to 5. Let's take AC is equals to 0 0 0 0, and the QR part, and QR is 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1, and the QN plus 1 will be 0, and the operation is initialize sequence counter is equals to 5 of the 5 bits. Then the operation will be the AC as the term 1 and 0 as shown in the flowchart. As the 1 0 is equals to means the operation of the AC plus BR bar plus 1. The AC as the AC plus BR plus 1 operation is 1 1 0 0 1, as we write here 1 1 0 0 1, and it will be the same 0 0 0 1 1. It will be also same, as the operation will be AC is equals to AC plus BR bar plus 1. Now it will be shuffled from one place to another, as the 0 will be discarded, as 1 will become here, 1 will become here, 0 will be here, 0 will be here, 0 will be here, 1 will be here, 0 will be here, 0 will be here, 1 will be here, 1 will be here, and the another will be a carry of the 1 here, as it will be a 1, as it will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 1. As you can see, it will be the arithmetic shift right operation. Sequence counter is equals to 4. Then it will be shifted to 1 will become here, 0, 0, 0, 1, and 1 will be here, 0, 1, 1, 1, and again 1 will be a carry from here, 1. As you can see, there is operation of the binary 1 1, as if of this 1 1 we have been taken to the flowchart as given in the flowchart, that the binary of the is equals to 1 1 will be the directly to the arithmetic shift right operation, and sequence counter will be -1. And again the operation is 0, 1, and 0 and 1, as shown in the flowchart, that 0 and 1 will be the AC plus BR in the operation. As you can see, the AC plus BR operation has a shift SC is equals to 3, sequence counter. As you can see, that this term is a AC and BR is of this term. Let's take this and add both of them. Let's take 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, and the BR will be the 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. As the answer will be the 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, and which has been written here 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, and it will be same copy here 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, and it will be the same 1, and the operation which has been taken AC is equals to AC plus BR. Then again it will be shifted from one place to another, as it will be discarded. 0 will become here, 0 will be here, 0 will be here, 1 will be here, 0 will be here, 1 will be here, 0 will be here, 1 will be here, 0 will be here, 0 will be here, and again 5 digit means it taken to the another carry 0 will be here, as it will be the arithmetic shift right operation, the sequence counter is equals to 2. Let's go to the another operation. As you can see that it is 0 0 by the function of the qn plus 1. The qn as it is given to the, it will be the sequence counter will be n minus 1. As we have to do that, we have to again discard it, as the 0 has been discarded and the 0 has been sent here. 0 will be here, 1 will be here, 0 will be here, 1 will be here, as again 0 will be here, 1 will be here, 0 will be here, 0 will be here, 0 will be here. As it is a 5, sequence counter is 5, as we have to take into the, as we have to take on a carry of the 0, the 0 will be here, as it will be the arithmetic shift right operation. Sequence counter will be 1, as it has been minus from the given flowchart. Let's go through another one. As it has been again discarded and is given to the, as 0 will become here, 1 will be here, 0 1 0, as 1 will be here, as it will be a 0 0 0 0, as it is a 5 terms sequence counter, as we have to take the carry of the 0 from the upside. Now it will be the, as it is a 0 0, as I had said that qn plus 1, the qn is the operation of the sequence counter n minus 1, as it will be the arithmetic shift right operation in which sequence counter will be n minus 1, as it will be a 0, as a problem has been finished, as we have get the answer of the EC and QR is equals to 0 0 0 0 0 and 1 0 1 0 1, as a both term has been equalized, and this is the answer of the both logarithm multiplication. Hope it will be helpful for you. Thank you.